In years to come, people will say to me, Tim, what did you do during the torrential rains that Hurricane Beryl brought up here? And I shall say, I had a foam brush and some polyurethane, and I made an awesome table. I mean, look at that. So this is the second part of the video, and you may be wondering, why are we now in another part of Tim's garage, and why are we looking at an upside down box that contains a garage door opener, and what does this have to do with the first part of the video? Well, I will tell you. So this is a perfect illustration of hubris. You may remember that I was very happily polyurethaning the underside of the tabletop during the torrential rain following Hurricane Beryl, and I was chortling away about that. Well, here's the thing. When you... Excuse me a second. When you polyurethane one side of a piece of wood, just let me move this extremely heavy container of tools, and you put several coats on. Excuse me while I move this extremely heavy professional quality car jack. Then what happens is that the other side, which has no polyurethane, absorbs all of the ambient humidity, of which there was a ton. And so here we have my wonderful tabletop, and everything looks fine until you come down here at this level and you realize the damn thing is bent like a potato chip. So this is potentially disastrous in two ways. One, if I can't straighten it out, then obviously it's not going to work as a tabletop. And two, if I try and straighten it out too quickly or too much, there is a possibility it will split down the entire length with the grain. So the remedy is to wet the underside, which I've taken all the polyurethane off again, which was a lot of sanding, and wipe it down with a wet cloth, and then put it under pressure on a flat surface, which is what I've done. And I've done that, and the net result is absolutely zero. So this entire project could be a bust.